Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss the top 10 benefits of lemon water. Lemon water is a simple and easy-to-make beverage that has been used for centuries as a home remedy. It's made by squeezing lemon juice into water, and it can be enjoyed either hot or cold. Lemon water is a healthy and refreshing drink that offers numerous benefits to our health. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the top 10 benefits of drinking lemon water. But before you dive in to explore this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Boosts your immune system. Lemon water is a great source of vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It increases the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections, and stimulates the production of antibodies, which identify and neutralize harmful pathogens. Drinking lemon water regularly can help to keep your immune system strong and healthy, as lemons also contain other beneficial nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and copper. Overall, lemon water is an effective way to support your immune system and protect your body from infections and diseases. Number 2. Aids in digestion. Lemon water can also aid in digestion. The citric acid found in lemons helps to stimulate the production of digestive juices, which can help to break down food more effectively. This can improve digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating and constipation. Additionally, drinking lemon water can help to flush out toxins and waste products from the digestive system, promoting regularity and preventing the buildup of harmful substances in the body. Overall, drinking lemon water can be a simple and effective way to support digestive health and promote overall wellness. Number 3. Promotes hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for staying hydrated, and lemon water can be a refreshing and tasty way to boost your hydration levels. Adding lemon to your water can make it more palatable, which can encourage you to drink more water throughout the day. Additionally, lemon water contains electrolytes such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which can help to maintain fluid balance in the body and support healthy hydration levels. Proper hydration is essential for many bodily functions, such as regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, and transporting nutrients and oxygen to cells. You can boost your hydration levels and encourage optimum health and wellness by consuming lemon water. Number 4. Helps to detoxify your body. Lemon water is renowned for its capacity to assist with bodily detoxification. Lemon citric acid can aid in promoting the creation of liver-supporting enzymes, which is crucial for the body's detoxification process. Additionally, lemon water can aid in the removal of waste and toxins from the body, accelerating the removal of harmful substances. Lemon water also has antioxidants that may help shield the body from oxidative stress and the harm that free radicals may do. Drinking lemon water can boost the body's natural detoxification processes and advance overall good health. Number 5. Boosts energy. Drinking lemon water can also boost your energy levels. Lemons are a natural source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in the production of energy within the body. Vitamin C helps to convert glucose into energy and also supports the function of the adrenal glands, which produce hormones that regulate energy levels. Additionally, lemon water contains potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy nerve and muscle function. Proper nerve and muscle function is important for physical activity, which can increase energy levels and reduce fatigue. By drinking lemon water, you can support your body's natural energy production and promote healthy physical activity, leading to increased energy and reduced fatigue throughout the day. Number 6. Improves skin health. Lemon water can also improve skin health. The vitamin C in lemons is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that helps to keep skin firm and elastic. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant, which can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, such as UV rays and pollution. Additionally, the hydration benefits of lemon water can help to moisturize the skin and reduce the appearance of dryness and fine lines. Drinking lemon water can also help to flush out toxins and promote healthy digestion, which can lead to clearer, healthier-looking skin. Overall, incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support skin health and promote a youthful, radiant complexion. Number 7. Reduces inflammation. Lemon water can also help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants in lemons can help to neutralize free radicals, which can contribute to inflammation in the body. Additionally, lemon water can help to alkalize the body, which can reduce inflammation and support overall health. By reducing inflammation, drinking lemon water can help to prevent chronic diseases and promote optimal health and wellness. Number 8. Supports weight loss. Drinking lemon water can also support weight loss. The polyphenols in lemons have been shown to help reduce weight gain and body fat accumulation. Additionally, the pectin fiber in lemons can help to increase feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, leading to a reduced calorie intake. Lemon water can also help to boost metabolism, which can increase the body's ability to burn calories and promote weight loss. Drinking lemon water in place of high-calorie beverages such as soda or juice can also help to reduce calorie intake and promote weight loss. Overall, adding lemon water to a healthy diet and exercise routine can be an effective way to support weight loss goals. Number 9. Fights bad breath. Lemon water can also help to fight bad breath. The acidic properties of lemons can help to neutralize odors in the mouth, which can reduce bad breath. Additionally, drinking lemon water can stimulate the production of saliva, which can help to flush out bacteria that can cause bad breath. Lemon water can also help to reduce the buildup of plaque and bacteria in the mouth, promoting healthy oral hygiene. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can help to reduce bad breath and promote healthy oral hygiene, leading to fresher breath and a brighter smile. Number 10. Improves mental health. Drinking lemon water can also have positive effects on mental health. The vitamin C in lemons has been shown to help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Additionally, the scent of lemon has been shown to have mood-boosting properties and can help to reduce symptoms of depression. The hydration benefits of lemon water can also help to improve cognitive function, leading to increased focus and mental clarity. By promoting mental health and well-being, drinking lemon water can help to support overall health and quality of life. So there you have it, the top 10 benefits of drinking lemon water. Whether you're looking to improve your immune system, aid in digestion, promote hydration, detoxify your body, boost your energy levels, improve your skin health, reduce inflammation, support weight loss, fight bad breath, or improve your mental health, lemon water is a simple and effective way to do so. So, why not give it a try and see how it can benefit your health? That brings us to the end of this video. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.